Hi guys, it's Jessalyn Marie and welcome back to my channel. So ever since I was a kid, I was obsessed with playing Mario Kart and I was a pro, let me just say. And me and my neighbor friend who you met in my 50 questions video and my brother and sister always used to play Mario Kart, and ever since I was a kid, I was obsessed with Princess Peach. So today I'm going to be filming a Princess Peach makeup tutorial, and it's going to be super cool, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at JessalynMarieB, Twitter at JessalynMarie1, and my Snapchat is Jessalyn1001. Thanks for watching. I'm going to start off by going into the shade Pinkity Drinkity with my Morphe M433 brush. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to blend this right about here, right on my crease. Don't worry about making it look super nice because you can just cut it out and fix it with concealer. So once that is done, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M456 brush and dip into the shade Skip, which is like a super hot pink shade. Kind of scared to do this. And I'm going to just blend it right under, okay. I'm just going to blend it right under here. She's pigmented, okay. That was a lot. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. My brush is bright pink. I'm gonna dip it into the Morphe 24G palette, which is the first Morphe palette I ever bought with my own money. And I remember it was around this time because I remember it was close to Valentine's Day because I did this Valentine's Day look with it. I just remember that, so that's crazy. Oh my god, a year ago almost, I bought my first Morphe palette. It wasn't my first palette, but it was my first one that I bought with my own money. Aw. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna dip in to the shade Glitz. It's like a dark pink. It's not dark pink, but it's not that. But so I'm just gonna blend that right. It's a really pretty shade. It just kind of dulls down the hot pink just slightly. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going to take a Morphe M224 and some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just put that under the brush. This is so... I'm trying to cut my crease and it's taking 5 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX gold eyeliner and I'm gonna apply that to define the crease. Now that that's cut out, I'm going to take my Kylie matte lipstick in the shade Apricot. And I'm going to use that and take that on the back of my hand. Get this little brush right here. And I'm just going to draw little hearts along right here where you would put eyeliner. Now that that is all done and complete, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 24G palette again and back in with the shade Glitz. And I'm going to use the same M456 brush and put that on my under. And then I'm going to take this shade Skip again. I'm going to take a different brush too. I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and dip in with the shade Pink Drink. So now that this eye is all complete, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one off camera and I'll be back. I'm back and my look is almost all complete. I had a mascara and like a little heart right here because I figured it was cute and it kind of like tied the look together. But I'm going to add some eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eye to really kind of just like bring that out. So I think I'm going to take the shade Wild Child. I'm just going to lightly tap that on the inner corner. Then I'm going to take some white eyeliner and apply that to my under eye. Alright, so now my look is all complete and I hope you enjoyed watching. It has taken me way too long to film this. It's like 1:30 a.m. here and yeah, so it's great. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this video and follow me on Twitter at JesselMarie1, Instagram at JesselMarieB, and my Snapchat is Jessel1001. Thanks.